Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download and install Sodium Minecraft 1.20. So let's begin. So here we are in fabricmc.net/use/installer. This is where you want to be first so that we can download what we need, which is this fabric. So you want to click here for download for Windows, or if you don't have Windows, then you can use the universal right here. So you want to click on this one right there. And after you have downloaded it, you want to save it to somewhere that you can remember so that you can locate it later. And after that, you want to click here on this Fabric API. You want to open this to a new tab, and from here you want to click on download. And once you have clicked on download, it will need a couple seconds before it would start downloading. And after that, it would pop up just like this one. As you can see, I have already downloaded this, so I don't need to download it anymore. But in your case, you want to save, click here on save. And after that, after you have done this, then you want to go here again into modrinth.com/mod/sodium/version. You want to go here into the versions right here. So from here, you want to go and click on where you want to download right here. So in our case, we want 1.20, so we would want to click here so that we can download 1.20. And from here, you want to click here on download right here. Click on download, and you want to make sure again that you can remember where you put this. So you want to hit on save after that. And now we want to go into my desktop, and as you can see, here it is. We have downloaded these three: the Fabric installer, this Sodium Fabric MC, and this API. And now the next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna launch this Fabric installer. Let's launch it, and let's wait for it to load. And as you can see, here it is, and what we want to do is select the version that we want. So Minecraft version 1.20 is what we want, but if you want the higher one, then you can also choose that. And for the loader version, you just want to select the latest one, and from here you want to make sure that this is the correct directory for your Minecraft folder. So if you didn't redirect it to anywhere, then this should be fine. This is the default location, and you want to make sure that this is ticked right here. There is a check mark right here for create profile, and you want to click install. And after that, all you have to do is just wait for it to load. And it's downloading library.net, Fabric MC, and so on. You just have to wait for it to load. It's gonna be very quick, and as you can see, it says successfully installed Fabric loaders, etc. has been successfully installed. You wanna click on OK, and now you may exit. And after this, the next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna go and press Windows key and R in our keyboard so that we would have this run application right here that will pop up, and we would type up data. So once you have typed up data, you want to click on OK, and from here you want to go into roaming and your Minecraft folder, this one .minecraft. So you want to open this, and from here you want to add a new folder right here called mods. You want to name it mods, and as you may have observed, I might have a different content right here, so yours might have a lot more folders and so on. And the reason for that is that I didn't actually run the Minecraft right here. I just made this for this tutorial. So for this one, we want to open the folder that we created right here. It's mods, and we want to drag and paste the API, this Fabric and this API that we have downloaded right here. We want to put them in this folder called mods, and with that, now we have successfully pasted it. We want to close this one, and after we have closed this, then we can now run our Minecraft launcher, and all you have to do is just basically select the Sodium version in the version selection in your Minecraft launcher, and you have to launch it, and that's basically it. You have successfully downloaded and installed Sodium Minecraft 1.20. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.